What's going on, guys? I am back with another video. So Hurricane Dorian is now at a staggering 180 miles per hour. It is now a category 5, and we've even got a couple other disturbances coming up, and one over here which I've been kind of watching has been intensifying day over day. So if we take a look at this projection, right now it is over the Bahamas, and over the next 48 hours it's still going to be over the Bahamas. So this is 24 hours and 48 hours. And then even 72 hours, it's barely going to move. It's very slow moving, and usually when a hurricane is slow moving, that means it's going to change direction. So right now it's going west, but it's very quickly going to be making a sharp turn north. And it could still hit the coast of Florida, but it looks like it is actually going to ride up the coast. Here are the forecast discussion notes. As we can see right now, 180 miles per hour, 12 hours from now, it is going to start to decrease. But it looks like 24 hours from now, it's still going to be a Category 5 hurricane. Yeah, even 4 days from now, it's still going to be a hurricane. And if we take a look at the spaghetti model here, a lot of projections are still saying that it's not going to hit the coast anywhere time soon, and it's going to go all the way up, basically off the coast of New England. And we even have one projection here. I was saying in the last video how it might go up to New England, and now we actually have a projection that's saying it's going to hit the Cape, which would be really devastating. For the next few days, Dorian should experience some fluctuations in intensity, and an additional to eyewall replacement cyclone. The interaction with the northwestern Bahamas should weaken the hurricane slightly. After 3 days, as Dorian moves northward along or offshore, the shear is forecast to increase, resulting in a more distinct gradual weakening. Okay, so that's why it's going to be weakening. Looks like there's going to be some wind shear, so that's some good news at least. Given the uncertainty in the track forecast and the anticipated increase in size of the hurricane, a hurricane watch and storm surge have been issued for a portion of the East Florida coast. A small deviation to the left of the track could bring the intense core of the hurricane, its dangerous winds, closer to or onto the coast. Yeah, that's the other thing too. Like, even if it doesn't hit the coast, like they're still going to get massively affected by hurricane force winds. It just might not be Category 5. It might be like Category 1, 2, or 3, but still, or even tropical force winds can still be, wind gusts in a tropical storm force wind area can still be devastating. A long period of catastrophic winds and storm surge will affect the Abaco Islands. Storm surge and hurricane watches and tropical storm warnings are in effect for portions of the Florida East Coast. Life-threatening storm surge and dangerous hurricane force winds are possible along portions of the Florida East Coast through midweek. There's an increasing likelihood of strong winds and dangerous storm surge along the coast of Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Heavy rains capable of producing life-threatening flash floods are possible over northern portions of the Bahamas and coastal sections. Yeah, that seems definitely devastating. None of the projections were saying 180, and now we're at 180. This storm is really getting more and more devastating, and hope everyone stays safe out there. Yeah, I'm going to continue to follow this storm for sure. Hopefully, it looks like we're not going to have much movement over the next 2 days. It's just going to kind of sit over the Bahamas, but then we'll start to have some real movement. Looks like it's going to be northward right now. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.